first step in integrating is to download the zip file and unzip it into your app. Here I'm just going to use the terminal and unzip the files into the existing directories. Before integrating, you have to decide where you want to collect feedback. In this example, the user has just completed an order, so I'm going to put the mSay start button in this activity to hear what the user thinks about my app. If we look in the res/layout directory of the app, we'll see that mSay provides both a start and stop button in the zip file as mSay start button and mSay stop button. To include the start button, I can simply copy and paste the code from the instructions screen into main activity. I'll also import the mSay recorder class from com.saygent.msay.msayrecorder, and we get a screen that looks like this. Now we need to put a question on the screen by the button. I'm going to put in a text view above the button that displays an example question. What do you think of our mobile app? So now when the user clicks the button, audio recording will start. However, there's still no indication to the user that anything is being recorded. We need another activity to show the user what's going on. Here I've created a boilerplate recording activity file. The layout shows a big recording heading and displays the question again. To get to this page, I'm going to write an intent back in main activity to start the recording activity right after the recording starts. This screen should also have the mSay stop button, which will stop the recording and send it to Saygent to be analyzed. We can paste in the stop button code just like we did with the start button, and now we can stop the recording when the user clicks. Now we need an activity to show when the user is done recording to thank them for giving feedback. Here in the stop button click handler, we can create a simple intent and load the thank you activity. I've created another boilerplate file here so we can quickly put something on this screen. In this case, we're just going to show a thank you message. I'll add in a text view that says, "Thank you for giving feedback." From here, you can redirect the user after a short time, provide a button to go back, or whatever you like. These activities are still missing one thing. If the activity is interrupted, I should stop the recording, but I shouldn't send that recording because the user wasn't done talking. You can set a property on the mSay recorder object to handle this, the Boolean send recording property, then use the stop recording method to stop recording audio before the activity is changed. Back in the recording activity, I'm going to override the activity methods onPause and onStop so we can stop recording. I can use the onResume method to start recording again, and it will start a new recording. We don't currently have the ability to resume the old recording where it left off, so this will only send the last recording that was started. Finally, I'll add the required permissions. I'll copy the permissions from the integration page and paste those into my manifest file. And we're done. You're ready to start collecting feedback. You can integrate mSay into your app using a flow like this or define your own. You can find the mSay recorder documentation at saygent.com/android, and if you have any questions, feel free to email answers@saygent.com.